Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel a pending request on the Rover app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Rover app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, at the bottom of the screen, tap the message icon or inbox. This is where you will find all your conversation with sitters and walkers. Next, find the chat with the sitter or walker where you send the pending request. Tap to open the conversation. In the chat, you will see the request details with the service type and dates you pick. Since it's pending, it hasn't been confirmed yet. Tap on the pending request to view more details. Scroll down and tap cancel request. The app will ask you to confirm. Go ahead and type yes or confirm to finish cancellation. After cancelling, it's always nice to leave a quick message in the chat saying something like, "Thanks, but I don't need the service anymore." This keeps things clear and professional. And that's it. That's how you cancel a pending request on Rover mobile app using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.